As we all know, soap is mainly used in our households to wash our clothes and dishes and to keep our skin clean. But how does soap do all of that? I'm Ganor Devage, and we're gonna talk about the cleansing action of soap and how it kills the coronavirus. When we take a closer look at the individual soap molecules, we can see that it consists of two parts, a polar head and a non-polar tail. Now, here comes dirt particles. Dirt particles, oils, and greases are generally non-polar substances. They do not mix well with water alone, but with the help of soap molecules and agitation, the dirt particles now mix well with the water as an emulsion. The non-polar end of the soap molecules binds to the non-polar dirt particles. Eventually, the dirt particles are enclosed by a globular layer of soap molecules, forming structures called micelles. Since the outer layer of the micelles are polar, these structures disperse well in water, which is also polar. As a result, the dirt particles are washed away with the water. Soap kills the coronavirus in the same manner. The outer layer of the coronavirus mainly consists of a lipid membrane, which is non-polar. When soap molecules are introduced, these bind to the lipid membrane and disrupt this outer layer, disintegrating the virus. The same thing then happens to the remains of the viruses. They are enclosed in micelle structures and are then dispersed or washed away with the water. So, that's how soap does its thing. That's all for this video, and thank you very much.